Hi guys, today we're here at Sanctuary Medical Center with Dr. Halim and Andy from Innovative Optics, and we are going to be talking about the newest goggles to hit the market for all of our laser procedures.
Yeah, thank you. So what we're doing is we're introducing some new eyewear, and these are laser protective goggles that can go with almost any laser. We custom build them for each laser to maximize the visibility, but still have a really high protection level. Because as we've been talking to doctors, we realize that everybody's faces is different, and we want to have the eyewear comfortable, but also be very protective. So we're going to try on right now. This is our 561 frame with clear lenses for the 1064 laser.
This is actually really comfortable. This is great. So here at Sanctuary Medical Aesthetics, Dr. Posner and myself and all our other providers, we tend to obviously use plenty of different lasers and different wavelengths. This is great as far as the particular wavelength that Andy just mentioned. So we have everything from the BBL by Cyton and different IPL wavelengths, as well as the 1064 and as well as the laser hair removal. So tell me a little bit about what makes this one different compared to the one that we already have.
Well, they look very interesting, right? Because they've got a big round circle in the middle. But what's really cool about that, the reason that is like that is because the glass is very, very expensive. And the way we make these affordable is by cutting these circles and putting them into a goggle that's lightweight. And by doing that, we're able to keep the price down, but having the highest protection level and the highest visibility. So that's why they do look that way.
I have to admit, it is very clear. It is lightweight compared to the other ones that I have been using.
Great.
So I do like this. It fits very well, and it's not falling off of my head. Because one of the problems that I tend to have when I'm actually doing, so when I'm standing here and I'm trying to laser my patient, every time I lean forward, the goggles tend to fall forward unless I have something to strap them on for. So this actually is very comfortable.
Yeah, that happens all the time. And luckily, you do not wear prescription eyewear. But we do have the same type of product that fits over glasses. So now check this one out. This is another idea, similar concept where we have the circles with a very high visibility, but this is actually intended for the 532 1064 Q switch, which again is very hard to see through orange to see colors, but with our lens you can see all the different colors of the rainbow.
That's actually very true. The interesting thing though is when you have it on, it seems like, I hate to describe it like a cyclops, but I feel like it's right in the center where the circle is. It is smaller, so it is more of actually a magnifying lens where you're focused on, especially when you're doing 1064 for vessels, that's something where you want to do for vascularity, so you focus on that particular vessel.
Yeah.
So that's actually kind of interesting and neat, which is very different because even though it does have two of the actual eye lenses, as you can see here, the size of the lenses are different. So tell me, what is this for now?
Right, so we have launched a disposable eyewear for all medical lasers. So when you're doing a patient and you're trying to get nice and close up into this area, which a lot of times you are, we have a adhesive shield that protects for all medical lasers.
So this is for the patient, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay, to close their eyes and protect.
Definitely for the
and
patient.
It works with every wavelength?
That's correct. It works with every medical wavelength. And we have these tested by a third party to make sure, because of course these lasers are very powerful, so we want to make sure that it does protect for every medical laser.
Absolutely.
And what we tell people when applying these is to have your patient look up to get those eyelashes out of the way, and then apply it towards the bottom here.
So look up
and
this
then look
way?
down. Yeah,
so let's see if I can do this, since I'm usually the provider, not the patient. Okay, look up.
Yep.
Go ahead this way.
That's correct. You're just going to push your finger right on the bottom there, and then close your eye, and then seal the rest of it. Yeah, just like that. You push it right in there. Yep. Now, we always tell people you want to make sure you clean the eyes, because with makeup and oil from the skin, you can't get a great stick. So we want to make sure we clean the eyes. But as you can see here, you have plenty of access to all the orbital area, but still have really good protection.
Actually, what's also nice, it actually keeps your eye closed.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times what I find is the other shields are either falling off or we end up putting gauze underneath to actually put a separation. Also, how does it affect with women with lashes? Because one of the things is that people that have lash extensions, you worry about pulling the adhesive off, or the other shields will actually leave a demarcation that bothers their eyes, and then they put the 4x4s in between or the 2x2s.
Yeah, it's a great question. So the middle of our shields have no adhesive in the middle. So again, that's why we tell people to do that procedure of looking up and then sealing the bottom of the eye and look down, and that way the eyelashes are right in the middle here.
Oh, interesting.
So that your eyelashes should not interfere with the adhesive around the outside edges.
So when you're taking this off, then how do you peel it off?
Yep, you just take the tab right here and then just peel to the side, and the whole shield comes out.
This one?
Yep, just like that. Yep.
Oh, that didn't hurt at all.
Yeah.
And it actually did not even affect my makeup. It's my eye makeup. We all of us as women are always worried about that.
Absolutely.
Okay, great. All right. So, any other shields or things that we should be looking at or considering? Because obviously, as you know, we have every wavelength here at Sanctuary, and also we have every device.
Yep. So at Innovative Optics, we have customized product for every different type of medical laser there is out there. And every office is a little bit different. Which lasers you have in the same room, what type of patients you see. So the key is to really talk to our salespeople and find out what type of facility that you have, and then we will customize the product specifically for your market, for your patient, and for your staff.
Oh wow, neat. Okay, interesting. All
Yeah.
right, so I guess if anybody has any questions, or we will be using this here at Sanctuary, obviously, and if anybody has any questions, please direct them to Andy.
Yeah, thank you.